The Makeblock mBot Robot Kit is an entry-level educational robotics toy designed to introduce children ages 8 to 12 to the fundamentals of electronics, robotics, and computer programming. This kit stands out by combining hands-on building with coding skills development through Scratch and Arduino programming, making it a comprehensive STEM learning tool. From the outset, the mBot offers a simple yet engaging way for kids to learn programming step by step, supported by interactive software and a wealth of learning resources. The kit is designed to be easy to build, with clear instructions that allow children to assemble the robot in about 15 minutes. This process itself is educational, as it familiarizes kids with electronic components, mechanical parts, and robotics concepts. The mBot can then be used as a remote-controlled car with multiple functions such as line following and obstacle avoidance, which adds to the fun and practical application of the skills learned. One of the core strengths of the mBot is its rich programming tutorials and resources. It comes with coding cards and lessons that help children understand and use all the robot's functions, encouraging creativity and independent project creation. The kit is compatible with 3 free Makeblock apps and mBlock software, which facilitate remote control, programming games, and coding exercises. However, it is important to note that the remote controller requires a CR2025 battery, and the robot itself needs 4 AA batteries, which are not included. This is a minor inconvenience, but easy to manage. The mBot is well regarded for its build quality. The parts are made of metal and are robust, making the robot sturdy and durable enough to withstand active play. The components are well labeled and packaged with minimal waste, which reflects thoughtful design and attention to detail. Many users have praised the kit for being a perfect gift for children, especially those around 10 years old, as it balances educational value with entertainment. It is suitable for both boys and girls and is often recommended for birthdays, holidays, and school activities. From a usability perspective, the mBot is praised for its clear and simple building instructions that allow children to build the robot independently or with minimal assistance. The programming aspect is engaging, with graphical coding for beginners and the option to progress to more advanced coding using Arduino and C++. This progression supports a learning curve that can grow with the child's skills. Some users have noted that the programming tools and software are not always straightforward to download or use, and the documentation could be improved. Parents without prior programming or electronics experience might find some debugging necessary, but the Makeblock community forums provide valuable support for troubleshooting. Performance-wise, the mBot delivers a versatile experience. Its functions, such as line following, obstacle avoidance, and remote control work well, providing a solid platform for kids to experiment and learn. The robot's open-source system allows it to be expanded with over 100 electronic modules and more than 500 parts from the Makeblock platform, including compatibility with Lego parts. This expandability enhances the robot's longevity and educational potential, allowing users to customize and upgrade their projects. The overall impression from users is highly positive. The mBot is not just a toy, but a serious educational tool that is fun and engaging. It encourages creativity, problem-solving, and logical thinking in children. While the price might be considered a bit high by some, frequent sales make it more accessible. Customer service has been commended for responsiveness, especially when addressing issues like missing parts. In summary, the Makeblock mBot Robot Kit is a high-quality, versatile STEM toy that effectively teaches kids about robotics and coding. Its sturdy build, clear instructions, rich programming resources, and expandability make it an excellent choice for parents seeking an educational, yet enjoyable gift. The minor challenges related to software and documentation are outweighed by the overall benefits and the support available through the community. If you have this kit or plan to get it, sharing your experiences in the comments can help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access to this outstanding educational robot kit.